Guys, nakauwi ako kanina. Ito siya guys, papakita ko siya. So guys, tingnan mo ito. Wait lang.
You have just survived the zombie apocalypse and drove halfway across the country.
Guys, nakabukas na guys. Tingnan mo ako. Kalabas ko na lang.
Get to know the real heroes on and off screen. One action icon. Denzel Washington is a two-time Academy Award winner whose versatile work spans over 4 decades. We will be perfect. His illustrious career began in theater, acting and performances off Broadway. Nominated for 10 Oscars, he won Best Supporting Actor for Glory in 1989. God, the only family I've got. And Best Actor for Training Day in 2001.
You think you can do this to me?
His ability to inhabit such diverse roles has solidified his reputation as one of the most talented actors in Hollywood, starring in a number of hits and thrillers. A winner in life, Washington has served as the national spokesperson for Boys and Girls Clubs of America since 1993. And in 2022, he received the Presidential Medal of Freedom. A true trailblazer for African American actors who broke down barriers and paved the way for future generations. This is Denzel Washington, and this is where the action stars are.
Hindi pa ako makakaraban kasi wala pa akong nahuli. Tayo nyo na lang sa next video ko na.